Hello, hello. Good afternoon. And of ganda ng view namin. Dito kami nag-lunch sa Flora.
Motor sina?
Siyempre ako din, charot. Yung mother na.
You want more? This one? Also? Yeah? That way.
I think
You think what?
we'd order one more vegetable next time.
Pop. Vegetable style?
Next time.
More meat style, you think, yeah? Check it out.
Grabe yung Paris. Apak-humid. Yeah.
Did you see it?
Eat first. Eat first. Next. Eat them first. Yeah, that's it.
No for you?
Oh, you
Yeah?
ate it first. Right at sina ate it. Oh, did you?
Ang aking bagels. Nice.
Mm-hmm. Is lekker, hè?
Ah,
Ja,
ja.
dat-
Laki
Yeah,
mapa ko
yeah.
naman yun.
Adi. Ang mula dyan na the food is on the end here.
What?
Not,
The food is
Yeah.
on the end here. Didn't go because it's small pieces.
Oh.
just until here. It's not yet in our stomach.
Remember your course, your training?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Ano to? Ba't parang ang oily ng face ko?
Excuse me.
Where you go?
We'll be right back, ladies.
Maybe you can order now. Another. Ha?
Seriously.
Okay. Ganda ng ano. Ay. Snacks for Papa. Ganda, no? Ang ganda talaga yung island. Island life is, oh my God. Ang ganda sa island. Ako muna. May allergy ako dito, oh. Pangit ang face ko. Ano ba yan? Kailangan ko talaga nung mag-buy. Thank you. Okay. Ako lang. Laging bugelya. Yun lang, pinakita ko lang yung aking bugelya. Charot.
Ay,
Buba? Wala yun. Para ang pangit ng makeup ko dito na. Nagwara. Ganda pa din. Ba't ang pangit dito?
nasa light ng siguro.
Hindi, lightning thunder.
Thunder.
Ay, kailangan pala pasosyal ko na tayo. Kunwari lang.
Social.
Pasosyal lang, pero pag nasa bahay, kinamit.
Pero nag-isa eh.
Yeah, she's hungry. Hungry, Sina? Hungry? They have hunger? Yeah. Have you hunger? Oh. Wala lang. So, yun lang. Bye!